Today we're unboxing the Nintendo Switch OLED. I got the one with the neon Joy-Cons here, so let's take a look inside. We first get the screen itself and the two Joy-Cons. Let's keep that aside for now and see what else there is. Alright, so this is the controller, so to speak, to which you can plug in the Joy-Cons. Standard HDMI cable. Power adapter. I am guessing you attach this to the Joy-Cons when you use them separately. You got the straps with it as well. And now the dock itself. It is nothing special, just a USB-C connection to it, and you will be able to connect your Switch to the TV. Now let's get back to the console itself. This is it. This is the powerhouse of the Nintendo Switch. It has got some significant weight to it. Let's connect the Joy-Cons and see how it functions. It has got a kickstand with it as well. You can use it to put the Switch on a table and play. Quite a sturdy kickstand actually. It got cutouts at the top for heat to escape. There is a slot for game cards, volume controls, and lock/power button. On the bottom, there is nothing much, just a USB-C port. Now let's turn this bad boy on. So there it is, the Nintendo Switch OLED. I have played some games on it and the experience has been great so far for me. Very good portable gaming console. That's it for the unboxing video. I'll see you on the next one.